All right, welcome back, COSA 1 and 601, folks. Professor Almeida here. Happy Thursday, everyone. Coming to you from the home office. And if you can believe it, this is the last announcement video. Yep, we are finally getting close to the finish line. And on that note, let's make sure that we get all our PowerPoint assignments turned in by this Sunday, the 24th. You really don't want to be leaving points on the table at this stage of the class, especially with your training sims. They are the easiest points to get with those training sims. All you got to do, fill the progress meter to 100%. Okay, so don't leave those points on the table. You cannot go back and get late credit for your training sim. So again, Sunday, March 24th is the deadline for PowerPoint. And once you are done with PowerPoint, you can spend the rest of the time with your finals. So we're going to talk about the finals in just a moment, because there is one other thing that we need to cover, and that is the certificate application. The certificate application, this is for the COSA 1 folks. For the 601 folks, the non-credit class, you don't need to worry about the certificate application. Remember that your grade is on positive attendance, and I just mark you complete if you've completed most of the course. So as far as certificates go, I do believe that you earn a certificate completing COSA 601 and then COSA 633. That's the non-credit keyboarding. So again, that's for the COSA 601 folks. COSA 1 folks, if you pass this class with a 70% or better, you will earn a certificate of accomplishment from the college in business digital literacy, but you do need to fill out the certificate application. Let me show you here. So again, friendly reminder, get your PowerPoint assignments turned in by the 24th, and then let's talk about the certificate application. Now, face-to-face folks, Monday morning, we will go over this process together. For everyone else, just go through the instructions. I've included a video. This is a pretty old video if you are using Adobe Acrobat Reader. But you can fill out the PDF form in your web browser, whether you're using Edge, Chrome, or Firefox, just as long as your information gets saved when you download the form. Okay, so double check your form before you upload it into Canvas that it was completely filled out. Okay. And again, once the course is over, I will sign off on the forms, and you will be notified when your certificate is ready. So there's that. All right, onward. Let's talk about the final exam and capstones. I'll start here with the final objective exam. There are 30 questions, and it's only one attempt. So be sure to block out some time where you know that you can hunker down and knock out the final. It's a lot like the quizzes you've been doing all along, and it covers everything going all the way back to first week with Windows 11 and Office Essential Skills. So again, 30 questions. Don't submit until you're ready, or if you close out early, whatever you get as a score, that is your final score. I'm not going to reset it for any reason. So I wish you all the best of luck on your objective final exam. Now, let's talk about the capstones. So the capstones, as you can see here, there are 3 of them, one each for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And I've also included this README file here. Good luck on your final capstones. Here's what you need to know. Capstone projects are larger in scope than the individual skill review projects. So in other words, as you've seen with your skill review projects where they only cover one chapter, the capstones cover everything. So for example, with the Word capstone, you're looking at all 4 chapters. With PowerPoint, all 4 chapters. So make sure to go back, look at the reading material, look at your training sims, look at past project instructions, and whatever notes you have taken. Okay, this is your chance to study for your final capstones. As a matter of fact, at the end of week 7, you would have seen the study guide, right? So make sure you look over the study guide as well. The 3 capstone projects are part of your final exam along with the objective exam. As you can see, the capstones are 100 points as a whole, and it's divided up equally among the 3 capstones. You only get one attempt at the capstone, so be sure to carefully check through the tasks save your project and close out of Office before submitting. But more importantly, when it comes to saving, know exactly where your project has been saved to. Did it go in your downloads folder? Is it on your OneDrive? And you should only have one copy of your project, because I've seen this happen over the course of the semester where some students will have multiple copies of a project and then they end up uploading the wrong one because they weren't sure which one they were working on, and then they didn't get the score that they were expecting. So make sure it's just one copy. You know where you're saving it to, because you only get one attempt, and whatever score you get, that's it. I'm not going to reset it for any reason. Okay. So on that note, make sure that you have a reliable computer with a reliable connection, and don't wait until Saturday, March 30th. Okay. You have the whole week to work on your final exams. And again, you could use your notes, your reading material, your past instructions on the web. And I'm not going to answer any questions about the capstones because, well, it is your final exam and it's pretty much open everything. So on that note, it's been a pleasure. I wish you all the best of luck wherever you may be going. I wish you well on your future endeavors. Thank you for sticking out with me for these 8 weeks. And I hope to see you around sometime in the future. So again, good luck on your exams. You'll be contacted by our instructional assistants when your certificates are ready for pickup. And take care of yourselves out there. I'll see you around.